Hey guys, welcome back to Accidentally Country. So as you can see behind me, the weeds and vines have completely taken over my property, and they have to be stopped or they're going to continue to grow and ruin everything that I love about this backyard. So I bought this mixture off Amazon called Crossbow. It had one of the highest reviews of weed killers and vine killers. So you need to mix this approximately 1.5 to 5 ounces into a gallon for a weed spreader to knock them out, and that's what we're going to do today. One thing I will recommend, definitely wear gloves. I already did one shoot and the cap was a little bit loose and it leaked on my hands, so I had to run up and wash my hands quickly. But we're going to go ahead and spray this and see, will it kill the weeds? And if so, how long will it take to kill them? So here we go. Well, what a difference 2 weeks makes. 14 days, my property went from this to that, and from this to that. So in case you were wondering, I could not recommend a product higher than this Crossbow weed killer. In about 30 minutes of spraying, it killed every single thing it touched over the course of 2 weeks. It's like I've got a brand new property again behind me. So if you're looking for an effective way to clear out a bunch of vines and weeds, this weed killer is the way to go. Get yourself a sprayer, the weed killer, some protective gloves, and you're good to go. So thanks for following Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.